Hey jet setters, all packed and ready to go on your next trip? Well, I bet you forgot to pack one of these travel essentials that will keep you healthy on the go. Hey everyone, I'm Nurse Jake, and we're back with Fashion Magazine to take you through 5 travel essentials that will keep you healthy on this next trip. Okay, number 1. This one is so important, and this is why it's number 1. Just pack hand sanitizer with you. Traveling in airports, planes, and in crowded areas, everyone is touching everything. Depending on where you're traveling, they won't allow you to bring produce. So in order to get all of your essential vitamins, just bring them with you. Whether it's pills, those yummy chewable tablets, or even vitamin C powder, this will help boost your immune system while traveling and keep you healthy throughout your trip. This next one you might not have thought about, but bring tissues or wet wipes with you. They're not just for babies. If you're in a spot where there's no running water and you forgot that hand sanitizer, you can use them to wash your hands. You know that tray table? Yeah, the one that you pulled down on the flight? Give it a clean before you put your food on it or touch it. Another thing that you can bring on your travels that will not only keep you healthy but is environmentally friendly is a refillable water bottle. This you can bring with you, take it through the gates, and then have water, because water is going to keep you hydrated, and being hydrated is going to keep you healthy. Last but not least, just don't be lazy. Bring your workout gear. Keeping active and fit and healthy will help you fight jet lag, will boost your immune system, and just make you look good on your vacation. There you have it. There's 5 travel essentials that will keep you healthy on your vacation. So if you want to learn more, click the links, and you can find me at Jake Mossop. Bye.